A very cool good evening to everyone. And
Good evening.
a very thank to everyone because you are sitting here to listen some of my presentation. And I'm very thankful to Almighty God, even my parents and all among here who are sitting here, because with you only now I'm standing here in front of you. And really I want to thank that Spark Educational Welfare Society, because this educational society only happens to make me like this, to stand in front of you and say something about me. So without wasting my time, I'm going to start to say about mine. My name is Mrs. Surima Jensen. It seems I never cease like Mrs. And even I have a small cutie pie, and his name is Master Christy. And I'm working in a very reputed school, that is New Era Progressive. Because that school only, I really want to join English coaching center. And for that only, I thought that really I want to join and I want to learn so many things. So moving to my presentation. I love my parents and I take the subject parents, and nowadays it is very famous, old age home. And I hope that everyone knows about old age home. Seriously, it hurts me a lot. The parents who gave us birth, who loves us very much in our life, they are the best part. The first one is God, and after that, the second one is our parents. And really, they are very helpful, they are very humble, they are very sincere. Without, we can't pay anything, we can't give anything to them, but they are giving a lot without any taking of us. And nowadays, orphanages are becoming less and old age home is growing a lot. In only India is the country where we can see that old age home is running nowadays, and it is very popular. Why it happens? I really want to ask why it happens in our India only. Orphanages becoming less because nowadays the peoples are very literate, isn't it? And in olden days, the parents or the human beings, they are illiterate. That's why orphanages created, and what the mistake has been done by them, they take whatever they do, the orphanage is ready to accept that mistake what some others has done. But old age home is created in this way. Those parents who suffer for us, who give us so many things by sacrificing their life, sacrificing their time, even though sacrificing their enjoyable moment, and they are giving their moment to us, and what we are doing. What we are doing. Seriously, we are doing very horrible thing. We are taking them. See, the parents is taking us like this. Then first step, when the kids, Bacha, my son, he will fall down. Oh my God, my sona beta. The word which comes from the deepest depth of their heart. And what we are doing, when we get so many things, luxurious life we will get, what we will do? We never give our 5 minutes to them. They only need our 5 minutes time. They never need 1 hour sit with them. No, they only need 5 minutes. Even if we go and tell to them, how are you, ma? Are you feeling good right now? That's the only things they need. They don't need our money. They don't need our luxurious life. They don't need anything from us. Just they want our love, our care. So really I want to say that old age home should be collapsed from India. That we can only do because it's a 21st century and old age home, the parents, they don't know. Really, I want to give one example. I want to share with you. That example is that I am from Kerala. The incident happened in Kerala only. The son, he is living in Dubai and his wife also living in Dubai. They both are working. They have one son and Appa and Amma. So Appa, he is no more, and Amma. So a big cottage home. So many cars, so many servants. But what happened? The Amma is right now, she is a patient of cancer. So what to do? He can't survive with him also. So what he done? He take her to old age home. He given all the luxurious life, giving one TV, fridge, all the things. But really, she needs that thing. What do you think?
No, she doesn't.
No. She only need a cute love, a 5 minutes of time. She only needs 5 minutes of time to sit with her because she knew one day she will go. That because of her cancer, she knows everything. So it's a really coming outside from my heart. Love your parents, treat them. They need only in your whole life. They know that you are struggling a lot, you don't have any time right now. Then also please give your 10 minutes of time, sit with your parents, and don't do this kind of things in your life that God will punish if you will do this kind of things. Even your kids also, they are also growing up. They are also growing up and they see all the things what you are doing in your family. That things only your kids are learning from your family. So please concentrate your work, even love your parents, and old age home, I never refer, please collapse that thing. And demerit, I really want to share, whenever you get married, the problems surely it create, because the mother who is always loving his son, and all of a sudden within a quick moment, one lady will enter in their home and she is taking all the opportunities from her. So give them space, give them 1 hour time to spend son and mother-in-law. And then in a very slow moment, capture all the things, love them, and then you can enjoy your life. And the demerit is also like that, is that I really want to share, parents, they don't understand, because we are 21st century, they are old. They are from the old generation. So give time to in-laws also, let them free. And now this is 21st century, so girls, really they will not understand. They think he is my husband, he is my opportunity. But it's my request to share all the things sitting together, and always at least eat your dinner with all of us sitting in dinner hall, and just praise and worship to God that you got a successful life. Thank you so much.